Before you travel, there are a few steps you can take to make sure you are prepared for studying abroad. Researching your country is vital to safety. Research your destination and the US State Department's information on these countries. Look up local laws to make sure you are abiding by the host country's laws, and look up cultural expectations such as clothing, interactions with others, and more. Knowing more about local culture will help you fit in more as a local and look less like a tourist. Looking into the areas you will be frequenting in the city and country that you will be visiting before you arrive will help you feel more comfortable navigating the city as well once you are on location. For safety, we ask that students do not drive cars, mopeds, or other motorized vehicles while abroad. Always use the buddy system and have at least one of your classmates or people on the program with you when you are going out and exploring on your short-term programs. With semester programs, if you are out traveling, please inform someone on your program of where you will be going. If you have any questions, please get in touch with your professor, the staff coordinator, or someone on your semester program. Communication is also key to safety. Make sure you have your emergency contacts in country on your person, including emergency numbers, the staff coordinator's number, and at least a handful of your classmates' number if you're on a short-term program. If you are in a semester or summer semester program, please have the emergency contact of your local institution and their advisors at hand as well. Set up a communication plan with your family so they are aware how often they should expect to hear from you, while also allowing you to fully engage in the program and the local culture. The CGE will register you for the Smart Traveler Enrollment Plan, or STEP program, for emergency updates on your host country if you are part of a short-term program or a global classroom series class. If you are part of a semester or summer semester program, you will register yourself for the STEP program. Students will have support in person with local staff and from the CGE. You should talk to your professor and staff coordinators for support in case of any incident. If you are on a semester program, please inform your local advisor to best support you on the ground and the CGE for any incident so we can support you from Marymount. If you experience any incidents related to Title IX on any program, please reach out to the faculty and staff of your program and our Title IX office. The numbers are included below.